Now that you have your Google Classroom set up, we're going to take a look at these different tabs that are a part of Google Classroom. The first tab that we're going to look at is People. Here you will see two different sections, Teachers, Students. You can add co-teachers, or if you're collaborating with another teacher, you can simply add them by coming here, hitting this plus button right here, put in their email address, and click Invite. The same way you would do for a student if you needed to add a student, the same thing, invite the students, and they will get an email sent to them that looks like this from Google Classroom, saying who is it from, asking them to join the class. Now, if it was for a co-teacher or collaborate, they would see here that they're asking them to join the class as a teacher. They simply click join and they will automatically be added to the class for you. Now, you'll see here under students, there are a few things here that we want to point out for students. As students join your class, you will see their names appearing here. If you send it as an email, you will see that they're invited, but they're grayed out because they have not joined. Once a student has joined your class, then you will see that it's no longer grayed out, and that's this here. One of the things you can do with your students by clicking these three dots right here, you can email the student directly from here. Another thing is you can invite a guardian. Now, when you invite a guardian, if you click invite a guardian, you just simply put in that email address, which will be a parent, a grandparent of that child, and then that guardian will get an email asking them to accept. And then once they accept, they will be getting updates from Google Classroom. And this is what it would look like to the guardian. Here's an example of what it would look like. They will get this showing that the student worked, showing that they're missing this work. It will automatically put that out there that it was due. Once, if you have due dates set, then it will populate that. It will let them know what is due next week. It will also show the activity from last week, show what has done, questions and assignments and that stuff that goes on. It's just a weekly summary that a guardian will get. So that way it just helps them to stay in touch with what their child is doing and what you're doing in the classroom. So that's how you would set that up. Other things you can do by selecting the box here, you can see the actions now becomes available. You can email from here, you can remove that person, or you can mute that person. So if you have somebody who's not being nice, this is one of the ways you can mute that person is by coming here and selecting that person and muting them. So that is it for people. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.